Okay, for all you do-it-yourselfers out there, I'm going to do a quick detail on how to vacuum or draw down an air conditioning system in an automobile. This is the main component you need. You can pick these up at Harbor Freight for under $100, and that's a 2.5 CFM vacuum pump, cubic foot per minute. That's what CFM stands for. This is the vacuum line, so this is the line that's drawing air out of the system. And if you follow this up, this is an R134 AC system. Here's your AC gauge set here. I don't know if you can see this, but I've been running this for about a half an hour now. If you look over here, you can see that we now have a vacuum on the system because it's below 0 psi, and this is on the high side, the red, and the low side also is below 0. Bad picture, bad lighting. But anyway, what I'm trying to show here is that I've now, after a half hour, have a vacuum in the AC system. This is the high side, the red, and this hooks to the low side. Again, this is the vacuum down to the pump over here. So the direction, first off, make sure that the lines are all on or open for both your high and your low side. And with that vacuum, it is drawing this way. So from the high side, it's being sucked up and down, and your low side, let me get this right, it's getting sucked up, over, and down. So you're putting a vacuum on your system. Now I just want to show the two ports, the high side and low side. Okay, here's the high side port. This is a quick connect R134 gizmo here. So you turn it on. Right now it's on, so that'll draw out. I can't do it right now because I got one hand, but you want to make sure this is on so that you can draw air from the system. So that's the high side here, and make sure all your connections are tight. A lot of times I loosen them up to get the atmosphere air out when I'm charging, so always make sure these are tight. And let's just follow this is the low side. You follow that down and you can see the fitting. Again, the lighting's pretty bad. You can see the fitting here to the low side. So we were drawing the system down both on the high and the low side for about 30 minutes. What I'm going to do then is I'm going to stop, turn it off, let it sit for about 15 minutes to ensure that I maintain a vacuum, which will tell me there's no leak in the system. Again, this bar should stay below